Today is the unboxing review of Uchu Sentai Kyuranger DX Kojishi Voyager, the fifth and final sword. I mean, the sword that will form the fifth and final Megazord of the Kyuranger. Now, it does look like a lion or another lion, to be honest. But it's actually the lion that piloted by, you guessed it, Kojishi Red Orion. Which in the front we have the Kojishi Voyager, or the Kojishi Kyuranger, if I can zoom it in, right there. That forms this Megazord. Left side. Kojishi Voyager plus the Kyuranger into this. Forgot the name of it. Back. Same instructions. Megazord. And then also do the carrier sword. And you can also use it with the Star Blaster, right side, right here, top, Kojishi Voyager with Kojishi Red Orion, and the bottom. And now it's time to unbox it, right now. And there it is, the Kojishi Voyager right here, and this is like a little cat which was given to Kojishi Red as a gift. As you can see, love the details. Little white, red and white with the gold emblem, and with it came the Kojishi Kyuranger, which it says right here, number 77, and it represents the lion matter. You turn this, just a regular cat, but when you turn this way, it looks like a normal cat. And when I'm gonna put this in the Star Blaster, it'll just do the Megazord summoning. So, alright, now we got the Star Blaster, and I already turned it on, and here we go. There we go. Please turn to the left. And now, honestly, it sounds like a dog, but it actually sounds what it is, and I actually can turn it into anything else because it'll sound the same. So anyway, let's just put it into the Kojishi Voyager and see where we. And here we go. And here we go. Now you see the difference between the Kojishi Voyager and the Kojishi Voyager. Well, that's actually compared to the fact that they can easily transform into two versions of Kyuranger. This one can change to the regular Kyuranger, and this one can actually change to the Super Kyuranger. And we're about to turn it into the Super Kojishi Voyager. So we'll take the headpiece off, like so, and take the Kojishi headpiece off. Take this part out, like so, and we'll just take this part out. Take this part up. Sorry, we'll just put this right here, connect it with the other pieces. lock into place, and then take this part, lock into the back right here, and lock that into place. I already put in the 4 Kyutamas in their respective place, because these 4 are the original pieces for the Kyurano, and I will add the finishing the Kyutama part right here. And now for the final touch, which is the Kojishi head, put that right here. There we go. And then put these 2 white pieces out to get that awesome metallic blue color. And there we go. The Super Kojishi Voyager. I gotta say, I actually love it. I love the fact that it's actually cooler than other Voyagers out there. So yeah, this is a really cool Voyager. And now it's time to put it as a Megazord for it. Alright, now we'll put it into the turn this form into Super QNO. We'll just take this part out. Sorry, take this part out. Put in the Wuxi Black Voyager and the Okami Voyager back in their respective positions. Oops, sorry. Sorry about that. Let me just get this in here. Sorry. And the Okami Voyager back in. As we put it in, there we go. Raise it up. Put in the Chameleon Voyager in. Sorry, sorry. I'm sorry, guys. Let me just bear with me as I try to put this in. Sorry, there we go. And the Kojishi Kyutama. So sorry about that, just crazy. And let me just put this in. There we go. And this part gonna be tricky, so I'm just gonna pull these back, turn this head around like the Kojishi Voyager's head, put this back, take these 2 white parts there, there we go, and put this part right here. Well, I just here we go. Put this part, oops, sorry. Put this part right here, which forms the cannon, and there we go. The Super the Super QNO. I actually love it. I absolutely love it. We put Kojishi's arm here, and there we go, which supports the cannon like this, and I actually love it. I absolutely love it. Ignore the camera movements about that. Sorry, I'm really sorry about that. Whew. Well, And there you have it, the Kojishi Voyager, the final sword, which forms the final and fifth Megazord of the Kyurangers. Now, I have actually had to say I love this toy, but everybody's going to be excited for the Lupin Ranger versus Pato Rangers, which we're all about to see it, and I'm going to do more unboxing review of their toys, so which I am so excited for that season. So anyway, like this video, subscribe for more, and comment what you think about the unboxing review. You guys can also follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Tumblr, and like my Facebook page. Until then, this is Anime Guy right here saying sign out. Laters!